Good day, everyone. Let's talk about history, people, geography, and culture of my town, Rodriguez Rizal, also known as Montalban. This municipality is known for its rich history, mountainous landscapes, and growing community that blends both traditions and modernization. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start! History. Let's start with the etymology. Rodriguez Rizal was formerly known as Montalban, a name derived from Spanish word monte, meaning mountain, which describes the town's many hills and rugged terrain. Originally a barrio called Balite under San Mateo, it was separated on April 27, 1871 by Spanish Governor General Rafael Izquierdo, forming the municipality of Montalban. However, its political status changed over time. So, here are some important dates to be considered. First is in 1871. Rizal was officially founded on June 30, 1871, marking its establishment as a town. In 1903, it was merged back into San Mateo, losing its independent status due to an American colonial administrative reorganization. In 1908, it became an independent municipality again, restoring its local government. In 1982, the town was renamed Rodriguez under Batas Pambansa bilang 275 in honor of Eulogio Rodriguez Sr. One of the most important figures from Rodriguez is Eulogio Rodriguez Sr. He was Senate President on April 30, 1952. And influenced national governance, leading to the town being renamed after him. Next is Father Eustaquio Infante. He served as a parish priest in Montalban during the late Spanish colonial period, around the mid to late 1800s, when the town's church and early community were being established. Desario Geronimo was a Filipino general in the Philippine Revolution and Philippine-American War, who defeated and killed U.S. General Henry Ware Lawton in 1899, and later lived and was buried in Montalban. Rodriguez Rizal is a first-class municipality in Rizal, within the Calabarzon region, known for its strong economy, growing infrastructure, and increasing opportunities for business and tourism. It is the largest municipality in Rizal. In terms of land area, it covers about 312.70 square kilometers. Rodriguez Rizal is located in Calabarzon, northeast of Metro Manila. It is bordered by San Mateo and Quezon City, and extends into the Sierra Madre Mountains. It is situated along the slopes of the Sierra Madre, giving it a rugged and mountainous terrain. Around 80% of the land area consists of mountains, hills, and uplands, while the rest are lowland areas. Rodriguez has a rapidly growing population, over 400,000 residents, making it one of the most populated municipalities in the country. In terms of economy, the town relies on agriculture, small business, and tourism. The presence of natural resources and scenic landscapes makes it a key ecotourism destination. One of the town's major religious landmarks is the Nuestra Señora del Santísimo Rosario Parish Church, which plays an important role in local religious celebrations. Festivals and traditions are centered on Catholic religious events, town fiestas, and community gatherings. Rodriguez is also known for its natural tourist attractions, including Wawa Dam, a historic water source and scenic destination. Caves and mountains are used for hiking and adventure.